Let us consider question number 5 of JAMB 2000 physics past question. It reads, a simple pendulum has a period of 17 seconds. When the length is shortened by 1.5 meters, its period is 8.5 seconds. Calculate the original length of the pendulum. The formula that connects the period and length of a pendulum is T equal to 2 pi square root of L over G, where 2 pi and acceleration due to gravity are constant. So we can tell that the period T is directly proportional to the square root of the length. Let us bring out our parameters first. T1, at the original length, the period is 17 seconds. And L1 is what is required, the original length. T2, the period when the length is shortened by 1.5 meters is 8.5 seconds. L sub 2 will be the original length, L sub 1 minus 1.5. So we can have T sub 1 all over T sub 2 equal to square root of L sub 1 all over square root of L sub 2. Okay, since we have square root on the numerator and denominator, we can make it a big square root to cover everything. So we have something like this. So T sub 1 is 17. You have 17 all over T sub 2 is 8.5 equal to the square root of L sub 1, which is what is required, the original length, all over L sub 1 minus 1.5. At this stage, what do? On the left hand side, we have 17 divided by 8.5, and that gives 2. So we have 2 equal to, let me demarcate this, our parameter. So we have 2 equal to square roots of L sub 1 all over L sub 1 minus 1.5. We can take the square of both sides to eradicate the square root on the right hand side. So when we take the square of this side, it eliminates the square root. Square cancels square root. And on the left hand side, we have 2 squared, and 2 squared is 4. So we have 4 equal to L sub 1 all over L sub 1 minus 1.5. We then cross multiply. We have 4 into L sub 1 minus 1.5 equal to L sub 1. Okay. So when we open the parentheses on the left hand side, 4 multiplied by L sub 1 gives 4L sub 1. And 4 multiplied by 1.5 gives 6. Equal to L sub 1. We move L sub 1 to the left hand side and transfer negative 6 to the right hand side, so that we have 4L sub 1. When it comes to the left hand side, it becomes negative L sub 1 equal to, and when negative 6 goes to the right hand side, it becomes positive 6. 4L sub 1 minus L sub 1 gives 3 L sub 1 equal to 6. We then divide both sides by the coefficient of L sub 1, which is 3, so that we have the original length, which is L sub 1, as 2, because 6 divided by 3 gives 2. So we have 2.0 meters. So this is the value of the original length. See you in the next one.